Welcome to Enovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a traditional sweet flatbread called Coconut Poli, also known as Nariyal Puran Poli. It's soft, lightly golden, and filled with a rich coconut and jaggery stuffing that's perfect for festival or a special homemade treat. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup Suji or Semolina in a mixing bowl. Add half cup flour. Now add half teaspoon turmeric powder for a beautiful golden color. Add half teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix everything well until the ghee is evenly combined. Coconut Poli is a popular festive sweet. Gradually pour in 1/3 cup water. Knead everything into a smooth and soft dough. Knead a soft dough so it's easy to roll without cracking. Turmeric adds a natural golden color to the dough. Rub a little ghee over the dough and keep it soft. Cover it and let it rest while we prepare the filling. Now take a pan, add 1 cup grated jaggery, pour in 2 tablespoons water. Cook for 2 minutes on medium heat until the jaggery melts. Jaggery gives these desserts its rich caramel-like sweetness. Now add half cup grated coconut. Mix everything well. Cook the filling until it leaves the sides of the pan to prevent it from becoming sticky. Turn off the heat. Let the filling cool down for about 5 minutes. Now take a small portion of the dough. Place coconut jaggery filling in the center. Cover and seal it well. Fresh coconut makes the filling soft, juicy, and full of flavor. Roll it gently into a thin, even flatbread. Heat a pan over medium heat. Place the poli on the hot pan. Cook one side until golden spots appear. Flip it and cook the other side until both sides are evenly cooked. Cook the poli on medium heat for a soft texture with light golden spots. Jaggery contains small amounts of natural minerals compared to refined sugar. Coconut provides healthy fats and dietary fiber. Your soft and delicious coconut poli is ready. Serve it warm with a little ghee for the best flavor. Your homemade coconut poli is ready. Soft, fragrant, and filled with a rich coconut and jaggery center. It's a wonderful treat for festival, family gathering, or a relaxing tea break. Make it at home and enjoy the comforting taste of the traditional favorite. Follow Enovin Cake and Cookies for more festive dessert, baking recipes, and easy homemade treats.